How to activate your Capital One credit card online. Let's get started. Head towards Capital One's official website or open the Capital One mobile app, then log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on Sign Up or Enroll button and following the prompts. Once logged in, look for the Activate Card option. This is typically found under the Account Services or Manage Card section. Enter the required details from your new credit card, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. After entering your card details, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. You can now start using your Capital One credit card for purchases. Activating your Capital One credit card is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Enjoy the benefit and convenience of your new card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.